class 6. This is the continuation part of your previous video. So I am starting from the page number 35, the first paragraph, the middle portion of the first paragraph. She went over to the nearby inn to inquire, where she found a woman busy cooking. So Eliza came to a farmhouse and she wanted to near to a farmhouse, and from there she wanted to cross the Ohio River. So she noticed that there was no ferryman, so she could not able to cross the Ohio River. So she went to a nearby inn. Inn means his a sort of hotel. So inquire some that means for taking shelter and getting the food. So she found there was a lady. The woman took pity on her and said that a man was going to cross over the river with some goods later at night and might take them along. So that lady who was cooking over there. So the lady was very it seemed like that she was that kind one. So she felt very pity upon Eliza, and she informed that at the midnight there would be a ferryman. So that time maybe that ferryman would take Harry and Eliza to cross the river. She offered a cake to Harry and then later led them to a small bedroom for rest. So the lady gave a cake to Harry, and then she also gave that means the place to take rest for Eliza and Harry. Meanwhile, back at Mr. Shelby's place, every effort was being made to delay the lunch, as it became common knowledge that the Missy did not want Eliza to be caught and would like to delay the depart of Haley. So what happened? In the meantime, what was happening in the Shelby's house? So Sam and Andy, those who were the slaves of Mr. Shelby, they came to know that Mrs. Shelby did not want Eliza to be caught. So they were trying to delay for the search party. Okay, so everything was happening in the kitchen, and somehow or the other they were trying to delay their they were making the delay for going out to search Eliza. Okay, all sorts of accidents started taking place in the kitchen. So in the kitchen there were all types of accidents occurred. Okay, why? Because they wanted to make the search party delay. Okay, Mr. Shelby called Tom to the parlor and told him to be ready and wait for the trader as and when he wanted him. So Mr. Shelby informed Tom to be ready because Mr. Haley had come, and whenever he wanted, he could able to take Tom along with him. He let Tom do whatever he wished in the meantime, confident that he would be there when the trader would come for him. So Mr. Shelby told Uncle Tom that in the meantime, whatever he wanted to do, he could do, because Mr. Shelby knew that Uncle Tom was very very loyal. Okay, loyal to his master, and he could not do anything like that which would affect the Shelby's family. Okay, so Tom's loyalty and devotion brought tears to Tom's loyalty and devotion brought tears to Mr. Shelby's eyes. He promised Haley that he would try to buy him back if he returned to that area a few years later. So we have seen in the previous classes or previous chapters that Mr. Shelby was not a man with vices. He was a good man, but unfortunately he was bound to sell his slave. Okay, at the first we have seen that he was a very nice person, and he could not tolerate this selling of that means slaves and all, because he was having problem in his business, so he had to sell Uncle Tom. But otherwise he was a good man, he was a kind-hearted man. So he saw that Uncle Tom was about to go. So that time Mr. Shelby was in tears, and he was crying also. That means he was crying. Okay. He promised Haley that he would try to buy him back if he returned to that area. That means he promised Mr. Haley that if he would able to gain the money, so definitely he would definitely take Tom back. Okay. It was not before 2 o'clock in the afternoon that Haley managed to depart with his search party. Sam again succeeded in losing some more of the precious time by taking them on to the wrong road. What happened? So it was before 2 o'clock. That means before 2 o'clock they could not able to start for the search party. Okay. So Sam again he tried to make some tricks to make the search delay. Okay. He very cunningly went to the wrong road, and Haley had to control his temper, as Sam had cleverly made Haley take all the decisions, and there was no way he could place the blame on anyone. Actually, Sam, that means Black Sam, who was the slave, he was very clever, and cleverly he made some tricks and made some plans to confuse Mr. Haley, and in such a manner he made the plans that Haley could not able to give the blame upon that means Black Sam. Okay, whatever the decisions that had to be taken by Haley, but very cleverly it was done by Black Sam. So that means Mr. Haley was in delay, and they searched. They went for the search after a long time. Okay, so already they were late. By the time they arrived at the inn, Eliza had already put Harry to sleep, and she was looking through the window. Sam saw her first and began to create a commotion in order to warn her. So what happened? So though they started the that search, and by the time they arrived at the inn, that means where Eliza was staying. So Eliza had already put Harry to sleep, and that time what happened? She was looking through the window. Sam, that means Black Sam, saw her, and then he wanted to create a commotion. Commotion means it's actually disturbance. He wanted to create a disturbance in order to warn Eliza that they had come to search them.